My name is Kay Agajanian. I am a junior software engineer at a place called VidRover. I took the Data Science Immersive course. I was in venture capital and startup operations, and I found myself always not being able to be hands-on on projects and not being able to really control the direction of a company. I also really didn't like all the repetitive work that I was doing, and I knew that there were all these new tools out there, and I had no idea how to use them. I really wanted to learn, but it just year after year, it was just like, this is my career, I can't really change it. I was a psychology undergrad, so I didn't really have any computer skills or anything like that. A year ago, I was holding on to 2 contractor jobs, one in each field of VC and startup ops, and both of them dried up at the same time. And so I thought, you know what, this is the moment. Don't want to wait any longer. I've been interested in boot camps for years, so I knew like all the players in town. I chose GA because I thought the syllabus was more deeper, and I got a better variety of things that I was going to learn. So I talked to a few people that went through it, and everyone had nothing but nice things to say. I think I got really lucky to be put with Caroline Schmidt and Jeff Hale. They were both amazing. They answered every question with such expertise and such ease, and even things like math concepts that I'd never even encountered before. I did not get very far in math, being a social sciences person. They were able to make it make sense, and not just for, passing a test or something. I'm actually able to use those things on the job. I mean, when I was looking at boot camps, my thought was, well, they can't possibly get me what they promise they can get me. And then on the other side of it, I got into a job almost immediately. I am in the career that I wanted to be in. I'm doing the things daily that I wanted to be doing. And now I have these advertisements pop up, like learn to code in 24 weeks. I'm like, I know how to code now, so I'm good. If you don't have a disciplined robot to help you get the skills that you need, because everything is online and everything is free, if you have the discipline to stick with it, I do not. And so this bootcamp was my discipline robot. It, made me sit in class for 40 hours every week and then another 30, 40 hours of self-study and project time that I would have never, ever been able to force myself to do had I not taken it. There were 30 of us and we were all over the country, but I'm just really happy that I got to meet people from all over, including places that you don't usually, meet people here from. Like we had a student from Arkansas, we had a person in Tennessee. I don't usually meet people from those places, and it was really nice to get their life experiences too. Damana was amazing. She heard all of my babble about why I wanted to do what I wanted to do, and she helped me form it into something that was palatable for an interviewer to hear, instead of the mess that I brought to her. So she was always encouraging us. She was always supporting us with new jobs and new ideas of how to approach something. I have no notes. She was great. I'm in the job that I got right after the boot camp. I got an internship first for 3 months, and then after that I got hired on full time. It was definitely worth it. The return on investment happened very quickly. I'm making 30% more than I've made in my whole life. So very happy with it.